Oh, hi. I see that you also want to bake Betty Crocker's chocolate chip cookies. Well, in case you're too lazy to read the instructions on the back, here's the introduction, the instructional video for these cookies. Now, before we start, and before you even get the ingredients out, you have to have the following things. A house with an oven, that's the most important thing. Some oil spray, pack, wooden spoon, medium-sized bowl, cooking tray, and baking paper for the tray. Got it? Good. Step 1, preparation. This is very important if you actually want to make the cookies. All you got to do is put the oven on 180 degrees Celsius and line the baking tray with the baking paper, but before that, put on some of that canola oil spray. That'd be nice. Step 2, now it's time for the actual cooking. Now, cut 80 grams off of the butter stick, then chop it up and put them on a plate, and then cover them and put them in the microwave for a minute. While that's cooking, put the cookie mix from the box into the bowl and then add an egg. Looks like that butter's done. Add it in and then let's mix it with a wooden spoon. After you've mixed it into a nice little yellow gludge, comes step 3, the assortment. You mix all the batter into little balls like this and then put them on the tray. Once you've done that about 20 times, you've had a full set. Step 4, finally, you put the tray in the oven, wait for 20 minutes, maybe put a timer on, take them out, and then let them cool for a while. I know, this is the hardest part for me too. All that waiting. Okay, here we go. Oh, hi. Thank you for cooking with me for the Betty Crocker's chocolate chip cookies. They were very fun, weren't they? You know, at some point, when you grow up, you might want to do more baking. You might want to do more baking now. You might want to do cookies, cupcakes, cakes. You might want to move into dinners and breakfasts. You might even want to be a chef one day. Wouldn't that be great? If you really want to, this is your first step.